Looking for a powerful and reliable blender that you can take with you wherever you go? Look no further than the best portable blender with USB rechargeable. This device is perfect for making smoothies, soups, and other delicious foods, and it is also easy to use even for those who are not familiar with blenders. So let's get started. List number 1. Rechargeable USB Rechargeable Smoothie on the Go Blender. Rechargeable Smoothie Blender is a powerful, portable, rechargeable blender that can mix up anything in no time. Mix liquids and particles with ease with the included 6 pieces SUS 304 blades plus 10 speeds. A must-have for everyone that makes smoothies or juices. Now you can make a fresh and delicious drink on your own. Simply add your favorite ingredients and shake to mix. No additional steps needed. The built-in rechargeable 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery provides up to 25 cups of juice, making it easy for you to squeeze out a delicious drink anytime. The easy-to-use, sleek and portable blender is built for convenience. It's lightweight, easy to carry and powerful enough to make your favorite drink or meal in minutes. This blender is perfect for making any smoothie, shakes or drinks your heart desires. The high-performance motor allows you to make frozen drinks without clumps and loose ice. This durable blender has a convenient lid that fits tightly on the 2 ounces cup or securely clicks into place using a bracket designed for ease of use. One-button blending, cleaning. Just put some water in the cup, press the button to start automatic cleaning. Portable blender cup is detachable, easy to clean, easy to flush. Remember not to wash the bottom fuselage. The full blender is all about the size of a water bottle. It is perfect for daily use and carry outside. It is ideal for office, gym, outdoors, traveling, camping or fishing. List number 2. Portable Blender Smoothies. The Personal Blender Smoothie Maker is a powerful, portable, and affordable way to make your favorite smoothies and shakes at home or on the go. For intense smoothies and even cold drinks like juice, milk or water, this blender will produce excellent results. It has a powerful 5 volts electrical motor, spins its 6-point stainless steel blades at a blazingly fast 22,000 RPM for 40 seconds so you can save time on preparation time. This personal smoothie maker is the perfect blend of style, performance and portability. The stainless steel blades cut through frozen fruits with ease, while the built-in safety features prevent the motor from overheating and the blades from spinning when the jar isn't connected to the base. Your favorite drinks will be ready within 40 seconds. This portable USB rechargeable blender equipped with a built-in rechargeable battery makes 8-12 cups per charge. You can recharge via any USB port for 1-3 hours between uses and drink at home, office, gym, travel or any other outdoor activities. Made for speed and convenience, the portable blender model is built with a powerful 5 volts electrical motor, spins its 6-point stainless steel blades at a blistering 22,000 RPM. The Juicer Smoothie Blender compact and portable design is made from BPA-free food-safe materials. It fits in most standard size cup holders. The built-in strainer can filter out excess pulp. List number 3. Obali Personal Blender for Protein with USB Rechargeable. This powerful blender with 6-point stainless steel blades can produce 10-12 cups per charge. Simply charge via USB port 2-3 hours before initial use, then add your ingredients and power on for a tasty smoothie or shake in 90 seconds. It can be charged by power bank, laptop, car charger or USB charger. Perfect for shakes and smoothies, protein shakes, juice, yogurt, dressings etc. Single button operation makes this personal blender quick and easy to use. Designed for convenience, this personal blender has a magnetic induction switch, which can work normally only when the 2 magnetic poles of the jar and the base are attached. Made from high-quality BPA-free and PP food-grade material, it makes beverages, protein shakes, mixed drinks and creamy frozen lattes, plus milkshakes, slushies, dips, dressings, sauces, juice, yogurt, and so much more. Just add a drop of soap, a bit of water, single-click the switch to start automatic cleaning. The smoothie blender cup is detachable, easy to clean, easy to flush. Remember not to wash the base. You're ready for your next blended creation. The built-in strainer can filter out excess pulp. Built-in safety features prevent overheating and overcharging, extending the life of it. With the BERLY Personal Blender, you can create a delicious and healthy smoothie or shake in seconds. List number 4, 8-Site Portable Blender. 8-Site Portable Blender is designed with 6 PCS 304 stainless steel blades and strong power system, pure copper motor, quick speed and long life, which can effortlessly make fruits, vegetables into smoothie with 2 straws. The juice blender is designed with safe magnetic induction. Please make sure the red arrow aim to switch, waterproof and easy to clean. The USB juicer cup equipped with 4000 mAh rechargeable high-quality batteries that can be recharged in a variety of ways, like charging by power bank, AC adapter and computer. Fully charged can produce 15-20 cups of juice. 8-Site high-quality juice blender, one of the most powerful and largest capacity food mixes. It can produce up to 20 cups of freshly squeezed juice in 2 minutes, which is equivalent to 30 glasses of fresh juice. The juice blender is designed with safe magnetic induction technology for easy operation. Silicone bottom ensures the non-slip and shock absorption. This blender is great for making nutritious single-portion smoothies, juice blends, mixed fruits and vegetables, coffee, milk powder, protein shake, baby supplementary food. It also can be used as common bottle. Ideal for any kitchen, office or outdoor. List number 5, Mully Portable Blender. This blender is equipped with 6 PCS 304 stainless steel blades and 7.4 volts motor. Higher level of rotation frequency achieve 24000 RPM. It only takes 30 seconds to bring you a cup of fresh smoothie, shakes, fresh juices, masks, baby food, etc. The juicer bottle built-in USB battery pack can be easily charged by power bank, computer or other USB power source. 150W rated power can be fully charged about 3 hours. 16 ounces capacity and only 1 pound product weight is easy to carry around in any circumstances. Mini blender effortlessly blends homemade smoothies, blended shakes, fresh juices and baby food. With 6 PCS 304 stainless steel blades and built-in USB battery pack, the powerful 650W motor produces enough power to jump-start gums, cleanse teeth and thoroughly blend fruits, vegetables and other foods in high speed while using the machine's ergonomic design. The USB charging port makes it easy to charge on the go without a computer or wall charger. And it works perfectly with the low-pressure technology. This type of electric juicer also has protective safety lock design to prevent accidents, as well as movable parts with soft touch feel when you hold them in your grip by changing the speed. With its small but powerful juicing ability, the mini blender is super convenient to use at home or on the go. The power button with indication lighting design shows you whether the product is safe and ready to work. It comes with a cleaning brush for you to clean the corner of the blender.